Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jingther Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh Hakalai Puiterek Jamang Arajar Arpsan Kyntu yiki Paidbah Jongka West Jingther Hills District Bakin Long Kiba Husiar Bha Hakalet Kawan Naka Jingther Lapbah Hapo ka District Haka Jingkran bat kilat patai khubor Sing Pentim Bakaladon ka Jingkhlem ki dieng bat ka Jinghap jong ki Sainar Electric Henrei lala banweng no marmar da ki nongtrei jong ki tanan badai pen.
As per the situation report that we had since yesterday and even till today, there have been minor incidents which have been reported of falling of trees or particularly of snapping of electrical lines. The entire set of departments are in position. We have asked that all the department heads, including the BDOs, not to take leave. The station leave has been cancelled for everyone. Along with that, there is a close coordination which we are doing with the department with regard to our resources that we have. We have created 28 zones in the entire West Jingther Hills, wherein every zone is looked after by a zonal officer for having a closer coordination with regard to all departments. So like previously what happened is the entire reliance was upon the BDO office. So like you everyone know, there are 4 BDOs. But now as when we have decentralized the planning and the response with regard to the instructions, now we have 28 officers who are round the clock watching the situation, and the situation as of now is normal. And as the rain have also reduced by, we are also checking the water levels of the river in order to ensure that it doesn't flood the agricultural area.